Hi and welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Felicia and I am here with another video. If this is your first time on my channel, hi and welcome. My name is Felicia. I bring you everything from hair, beauty, fashion, current events. This is the channel for it all. So if you're into those type of things, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and let's get into it. What I wanted to do this week is just give you a DIY, honey. Yes, your girl does DIY. A few weeks ago, I made my own facial sprays. I had ran out of my facial sprays and I wanted a nighttime spray and a daytime spray, but I didn't want to spend all of that money, so I went on my good girlfriend Pinterest and found me some ways to make some good sprays. So what I ended up doing with the ingredients that I had to make my sprays was not only make 2 facial sprays, I made 3 sprays. What I made was nightcap, and what I used to make the nightcap was chamomile tea, aloe vera gel, witch hazel, and lavender oil. And what I like about this is that if it's a night where I'm tired and I don't feel like doing my whole skincare routine for nighttime, I could just wash my face and spray a little bit of this on, and I have toner, I have moisturizer, but I also have some agents that'll help me relax and get a good night's sleep with the chamomile tea and lavender oil. Now for the morning time, what I did was make a spray and I called it Morning Burst. Yes, I'm corny. I gave myself names for my sprays. I mean, it makes it cute. So for this one, I did mint tea, aloe vera gel, and cucumber. And what I wanted with my morning spray was something that was going to wake up my face, that was going to hold moisture. That's where the aloe vera gel come in, and just give me a more bright and fresh face for the day. And that's exactly what this Morning Burst does. Now, for the extra face spray that I have, I did Freshen Up. And this is a great spray to put in your purse. It is a great spray to put in your gym bag. This is a good spray for travel. And what this does is what it says. It freshens your face up. And for this, I use aloe vera gel, witch hazel, cucumber, and peppermint. And like I said, it is to freshen your face up throughout the day. You can use this after the gym. You can use this after work. This is also good if you're someone who likes to travel. You can spray this on before your flight and after your flight. It will hold in that moisture. It will, because flying makes your skin dry, so it holds in that moisture, and it also freshens your face up. So once you get off that plane, you're not looking tired, child. So these are the 3 sprays that I made, and I love them so far. They have been doing great on my skin. I spray them every day. And what I want to do is show you how you can make your own sprays. It's really simple. It takes about 10 minutes, if that long, to make your sprays. So the first thing that you're going to need is a spray bottle. You can find these at your local dollar store. You can get them at Walmart or Target in the travel aisle. And they're usually about $1 or so. And they are travel safe because they're under 3 ounces. I believe they're like 2.5 ounces or something like that. So first you have your face. So you have your spray bottle. Now let's fill these bad boys up. The first thing that you're going to need is a base or a liquid. You can use witch hazel, but if this is too strong for you or you feel like witch hazel dry your skin out, you can just go for a simple water. I would recommend boiling that water first just to make sure that it is pure. Or you can do what I did with these sprays, and you can steep you a tea, as long as you know it's something that's not going to cause your face to break out. The teas that I used was a mint tea and a chamomile tea. But if you have those oils, that's fine too. Because next, what you're going to need after you have your liquid is your essential oils. And essential oils help with giving your skin what it needs, that extra thing. So it can be peppermint oil. Lavender oil is great for relaxation. Peppermint oil has a great a lot of great things that help with the skin and face. Also, you can use tea tree oil, whatever kind of oil that you want to use, essential oil that you want to use that's safe for your face. That's what you would add in next. And then finally, the last thing that you want to add is your additives. And I call it additives because they're just the extras. They are those things that you're gonna need to add to your skincare. And so that can be aloe vera gel, which is great for moisturizing, helping with irritated skin. It calms redness and all of that stuff. So aloe vera gel is a great additive. Vitamin E because it's an antioxidant, and I highly recommend vitamin E because it also helps to keep your face sprays last a little longer. But vitamin E is great. Like I said, it's an antioxidant. It helps for younger looking skin. It helps to prevent dryness for skin. So I highly recommend that with anything else that you always make sure you put a couple of drops of vitamin E in your spray. And then for another extra, you can use, like I made some cucumber juice, but once you juice it, I highly recommend that you put this in your fridge. If you don't want to use the cucumber, you can just stop there, or whatever extras that you find that will do great for your skin, that's what you add. Once you've added all of those ingredients into your spray bottle, you want to shake them up. And one thing that I like to do is make sure that what I have in my bottle sprays well, because sometimes you may put something in there and you don't want it to clog up. So you want to make sure that it sprays well. Once that's done, you're good to go. Another tip is before you use your spray, or every time you use your spray, you want to make sure that you shake it up to get all of those ingredients working. Sometimes, depending on what you use, it may settle on the bottom of the bottle. So what you want to do is just shake it up before you spray. And just to make it feel a little fancy, have fun, add some labels to them, and keep it cute. Last and not least, but you also want to make sure that you are storing your facial sprays in a nice cool spot so that whatever you're using does not go bad. So yes, that's it. It's really simple to make your own sprays. You can find a lot of great ingredients on Pinterest. That's where I found mine. It's simple, it's inexpensive. And the cool thing is, once you run out of your spray, you have your ingredients. All you need to do is refill it and you're good to go. So if you've made your own facial spray before, put it in a comment and let me know what you've used. Until then, guys, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Be blessed.